Hey, my name's David. I just wanted to talk about what are the current medical advances in prolonging life. I apologize beforehand if this video is a little bit laggy. My computer and my internet are both laggy. So I currently take a class called bioethics, and what we've been researching recently is scientific frontiers in that field of prolonging life. And I found something very interesting, and that is nanotechnology. And simply saying nanotechnology is kind of cliche, and it really is very general. Now, what I wanted to tell you is kind of bring you up to speed on what I found about in that field. Now, more specifically, nanorobots. What they are basically little molecular-sized robots that we would build that are made out of strong diamond-like materials that would work exactly like a real-life robot, except on the atomic scale. Now, the theory behind creating these nanorobots is basically we would put them into your bloodstream, and they would circle around your bloodstream, and if you had sickle cell disease, they could basically go to those damaged tissues, repair them, and in that process rewrite your DNA so that you don't have sickle cell disease. The man currently who's currently spearheading this project is named Robert Freitas. He is a fellow at the Institute for Molecular Manufacturing in Palo Alto. He's also a research scientist at Zivex Corporation, which is the world's first molecular nanotechnology company. And this project has been going on since around 2008. I think they're being funded by the Life Extension Foundation. Now, another thing that I recently found is the Bucky-ball. If you don't know what the Bucky-ball is, it's basically C60. It's a small soccer ball-like shaped ball. And it's extremely strong because it's made out of carbon. And it's really pure carbon. And basically what it can do is you can put it inside your body. And you can put some medicine inside your body. And they found that the Bucky-ball responds to electrical impulses. Certain electrical pulses. So basically they can put all these different types of Bucky-balls in your body with different types of medicine. If you get the cold, actually we don't have medicine for the strong medicine for the cold yet, but if you get the flu, they can send a certain electrical impulse triggering different Bucky-balls in your body to release the medicine automatically into your bloodstream. This would almost immediately help you recover from that disease. Basically, if I don't exactly remember the wording for it, but if any bacteria or virus gets into your bloodstream, I didn't find out that most bacteria or viruses are fought off by our immune system before then, but if they go into your bloodstream, you really only have 6 hours to live. The Bucky-ball can basically prevent that. If you have a Bucky-ball in your system, they can send the electrical impulse for that certain bacteria after researching what it is, and you'd be cured. The only problem, you might ask, well, what happens to the rest of the Bucky-ball as it breaks down into your body? Is it harmful? Is it metal? Bucky-balls are pure carbon. Your body, carbon is basically the standard for organic compounds, and if they break apart in your body, then you're made out of carbon, so it doesn't matter. Now, what I find pretty interesting is that the Bucky-ball is for external diseases, and the nanorobots are for internal diseases, like genetic diseases. They would be able to rewrite your DNA. And basically, they could go into your body, and they would be able to rewrite your DNA. Not only that, but they would be able to repair any damage to your body tissue. Such as if your heart is failing, they would go in there, they would repair it, and then you'd be fine. So what happened if you had these Bucky-balls circling around in your bloodstream, as well as the nanorobots circling around in your bloodstream? If you have a genetic disease, the nanorobots will fix it like that. If you have an external disease, the Bucky-ball, you can send electrical impulses to the Bucky-ball and it would solve it like that. And if you have organ failure, the nanorobots will solve it like that. But making it a lot simpler, what if you could program the nanorobots to be like the Bucky-balls? To be that there's several different types of nanorobots in your bloodstream. And depending on which type of electrical impulse you have, electrical pulse that you send into your body, you can activate those certain types of nanorobots to deal with a certain type of problem that you have. Working these two together, maybe we could prolong life. Maybe because a lot of the reason why you die is because I'm just gonna bring up two really sad causes of this, like Alzheimer's or malaria. Malaria could easily be dealt if you can examine it early, and if you have the Bucky-ball that can send the medicine into your system. Alzheimer's, basically the nanorobots will be able to rewrite your DNA. You don't have Alzheimer's anymore. You have polio. You don't have polio anymore. You have sickle cell, or there's something wrong with your hemoglobin and your red blood cells. You don't have that anymore. And so basically, I'm sorry if you don't understand this, but we would live forever if there's no cause for death. With these two in your bloodstream, with these two in your body, there is no cause for death because you're preventing those causes for death. Sorry, this is just a rant that I wanted to put out there. Maybe I know I can't get off my butt to actually do this, but if someone can do this, this is how we're going to live forever. And this is how nanorobots and the Bucky-ball can change your life. And this is what I'm predicting that someone will possibly make in the future. So, yeah, my name's David Kwan. This is just something that I came up with on the spur of the moment. But thanks for watching.